Welcome to the Metrix Name Service tutorial series. In this instruction video, we'll register a name using the Metrix Name Service. You should register a name if you want people to be able to translate that name to a Metrix coin or other crypto address or some other machine-readable content. To start off, navigate to the MNS app by clicking on App on the top right corner. Then search for the name you wish to register. To register a name, you must connect your MetaMask wallet. Do so by logging into your MetaMask account. Then click on Details next to the name you wish to register, and click on Register. Now generate a secret phrase and make sure to save a copy. Now fill in the resolver address. You can easily do this by clicking on Use Default. Then fill in an address. Click on Use Self to easily insert your own address. The same goes for the owner address. Following, you need to choose a duration. In this case, we register the name for 3 years. Now click on Request Register. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait for at least one confirmation. Wait 90 seconds until the page automatically refreshes. It can sometimes happen that your wallet disconnects. Simply connect it again. Then click on Finalize Register and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Now wait for at least one confirmation on the transaction. Once the confirmation is in, you successfully registered a name using the Metrix Name Service. Thank you for watching. Still left with any questions? Please check our other videos.